Pass to number 12, number 12. 2 points by number 12. Sa haba naman talaga. Ay siya. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 5, number 5. Sinubok. Sablay yan. Number 5, rebound. Tumira ulit. Sablay yan. Rebound by number 12. Grabe talaga yan. Sa haba. Number 0. Number 0. Pass to 28. 28. Binaling ni 0. 28. Tumira ng 3. Sablay yan. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 15. Magkalaban pala sila. Number 5. Uy. Smooth. Number 5. Naiwan yung bola. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Binalik ni... Still by number 15. 15 pass to 12. 12. Mangga. Number 12. Rebound mo rin. Sablay pa rin. Agad. Number 0. Number 0. 0. Foul by number 15. Number 0. Magawa ng play. Number 0. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Tumira ng dos. Sablay. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Binalik kay 5. Number 5. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Sumubok ng 3. Kapus. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 28, ginawid yung bola. Number 28, pass to 0. Number 0, pumasok sa loob. Foul by number 10. Blocking foul.
Number 10, pusat.
2 free throw.
Alex pokazał sędzia.
First free throw. Sablay. Mase. Second free throw. Pasok na may number 0. Number 10. Number 10, dribble the ball. Number 10. Pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to 15. 15, binalik kay 5. Pumasok ng dos. Sablay. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 na pagkagawa na agaw ni... Di na kayo ko. Sayang.
Para si Marlon lang yun ah.
Sayang. Yan ang sinasabing sayang.
Bigs na. Bigs na rin na doon ng jacket.
Hindi, ano pala, stretching. Number 0. Number 0. Awesome. Number 0, pinasa kay 4. 4. Tapos, pass to number 12 pala yun. Nakuha ni 5. Number 5. Number 5.
Brad, receive time out, Brad. Reserve time out.
Time out. Radek.
Number 12. Number 10. Number 10. Di naabot, sayang. Time out by JRM. Score.
No, this side.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
8.
Ano lang 28?
Hindi, 21. 21 tapos nag-free throw, kaya naging 22. So yung 6, nakashoot sila. So 8 na. 8. 8?
Naka-score ang Woods.
Ano? Score? That's 2 points.
2 points by 8. Number 8.
That's 2 points just na before that.
Hindi, number 8.
Back to the ball game. Ano nangyari? Dapat ba?
Ayoko niyan. Back to the ball game. Hello. Number 0. Number 0 pass to number 30. Number 30, pumukol ng dos. Tapos, rebound by number 7. Number 7 pass to number 10. Number 10, Tabayoyong, number 10. Number 10. Still by number 12. Number 12 pass to number 0. Number 0. Dumiretso. Lista mo yan, basta kay Lebron. Number 8. Number 8. Number 10. Number 10. Still by number 30. Number 30. 2 points. Diamante, give it the ball. Diamante pass to number 77. Number 77, bumangga. Sa haba ni 12. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Woods ball. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Tabayoyong. Tabayoyong. Pass to number 8. Number 8 tumira ng 3. Sayang. JRN ball. Number 0. Number 0.
Nakunin mo yung charger ni Mami dun sa bag. Sa bag naman.
Number 0. Pass to number 12. Number 12 tumukol ng 3. Lista mo yan, basta number 12. Kahaba niya, parang isasabit na lang talaga. Number 7. Number 7. Lahat ng papasahan. Number 7, pass to 77. 77, tumukol ng 2. Wala, rebound by Pangasi. Nagmamadali. Sablay, number 12. Back-to-back 2 points by number 12. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Number 8, tumukol ba ng 3? Justin tumira. 3 points by number 10. Substitution. Number 0. Number 0, pass to 12. Number 12, tumira ulit ng 3. Number 5. Pinasa kay 8 na still na 28. Puro 8. 28. Uy, nice behind the back. Ito, hindi na convert. Substitution, rep, substitution.
Job.
19 in, 8 out. Remaining time, 1 minute and 56 seconds. Score is 31-11. Substitution. 16 in. Pasok. Pasok pa. Number 12. Lumilipad talaga si number 2. Number 10. Number 10. Ibon by 12. Grabe ka naman, Eugene. 22 pinasa kay 16. Nagpasabit. 2 free throw yan. Foul by number. Remaining time, 1 minute and 21 seconds. Score is 33-11 in favor of JRM. First free throw.
Tumukha lang.
Second free throw. Sablay pa rin. Rebound by 30. 30 pass to 12. Pass to 16. 16. Pass to 12. Foul by number 7. 2 free throw. Sub. Rebound by 77. Number 10. Pasok na lang diretso. Same ball. Remaining time. 1 minute. Number 5 pumukul na 3. Tablayan, rebound by 77. 2 points na mula. Remaining time, 50 seconds.
Najsłabszym aktorem tego widowiska jest sędzia.
Number 12, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to 16. Traveling. Nice defense. Sayang, rebound by 77, pass to 19. Wala pa rin. 2 points yan mula kay number 10. Remaining time, 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counted by number 16. Win.
5 from 10. 5 ludzie. Zaraz.
Moja jest pod nogami.
Tak.
Oni sprytnie zrobili, bo to jest moja.
Boss Arnel, saan na lang tayo sa official?
Paparapol daw, boss.
Just hold on, yeah. Alcinos got a high libido and dress shoes, shooting threes like my nigga Nino. And big
Let's go! Woods team ball inbound by number 6, pass to number 3. Naghahanap na mapapasaan sa number 3, pass to number 6. Again, tumira. 2 points. Number 6, 35-18. Number 6 ng JRM Krakow, hinaharas ng ating Magilas na number 6 din ng Woods. Nakakuha ng foul, reaching foul by number 6. How many fouls? First personal foul by number 6, Zaindi. Nakakuha na naman ng foul ang Team Krakow. Sino rep? 0-0.
Alas 11 na.
Third personal foul sa ating 0-0 player ng Team Woods. Medyo warning na natin yan. Third personal foul, Mia. Ang pangalawa, hindi pumasok. Nagagawan. Woods team number 3, tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy ang layup yan. Hindi lang pumasok. Nakuha ang rebound, number 17. Second follow-up, wala pa rin. Nakuha naman ang rebound, rebound. Number 3. Same ball. Woods team. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12 to number 11. 11 to 0-0 to Mira. Malakas. Now rebound to number 16. Number 10. Pass to number 26. Dito raw, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nanghihingi ng laro ang number 26. Set to number 26. Leonard. Leonard. Nakakuha ng screen kay number 22. Number 30. Still, pero nagkaroon ng turnover ang Team Woods. Sayang yun. Kaya pa yan, 36-18. Mahaba pang oras. Balikbayan, number 6. Gerald. Ganda ng kanyang wala na akong battery.
Yan ang walang battery.
Walang battery. Wala akong battery. Guys, Pare-pare, may bukas pa na dito, Dabsa? Alam, pero pwede natin i-search. Wala dito. Yung aking dalawa. Nilipat ko pala ng nilipat ko pala sa kulay yellow na bag. No?
Ikaw, sa'yo. Pero, nag-video ko. Kaya gunting nga. Dali mo, walang mic eh. Baka po kayo may dalang battery dyan. So, baka meron silang battery. Pwede natin mahilang. Walang battery yung mic eh.
May mga dala. Ado, bibili mo ako. Ako magdadrive.
Dalawa na! Tatlo na lang pananakit, graduate na yan! Hoy, Paul!
Stop, rep, stop. Bulong ka may referee. Stop, stop.